So this is a promotional video I created using Canva. This is going to be a short tutorial on how to create a product video, so let's get started. Just start by creating a video. Add a gradient video background. Now search for abstract shapes and add 2 shapes like this. Change the color and add the image of your main product. I'm using burger in my video. Now add the second image, which is going to be appear in the second page, and hide it under the layers. Now add text. If you like this video so far, then please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. This could really help publishing content like this more often. And animate the main image and text. Change the time of the page and make a duplicate. Now go to the second page and hide the burger and text layers behind other layers. Then click on drink image to make it more bigger and bring it between the pages. Now click on the shapes and move them a bit so they can also be matched. Now add your text. Animate the image and text. Now bring your mouse between the pages and click on transition. Choose match and move transition. This transition will match the elements of the current page with the next page and trace their movement and size. Now download the video and our video is ready. Thank you for watching.